Corkscrews have been around for a while, and variations have been showing up at the Dubai Masters this year, so I thought we could take a look at some of them. We'll go through the basic ones first, followed by some of more of the unusual versions. There are 4 versions of the basic corkscrew: sticks apart, sticks together, sticks left and sticks right. Here we have the sticks apart version. The cyclic is over to the right and the rudder is to the left, and only the collective changes to keep the model in place. This one is sticks together. Both of these were started from the nose in hover, so the corkscrews are in blades in. This one is sticks left. It starts from a tail in hover to make it a blades in corkscrew. And this one is sticks right. And like sticks left, it's also started from tail in to do blades in corkscrew. Elevator corkscrews are an interesting version. Instead of the aileron being all the way over, we use the elevator instead. You're looking to keep the boom as vertical as possible as it goes round. Once you've done the basic versions, reversals are a good one to try. This is sticks left, sticks right, with 1 or 2 corkscrews between reversals. For a slower reversal, you could try laying them flat in the middle like this and reversing the rudder. So the heli alternates between blades in and skids in each time it goes vertical. It's not a true corkscrew, but it is quite similar and it's fun to try. Once you've done reversals and have good control over what's going on, sideways corkscrews going down the flight line can be nice and smacky. Forwards corkscrews is another great looking maneuver when done low. This one is sticks left. And if you do them forwards, you should do them backwards as well. Sticks together this time. And for good measure, let's move forward corkscrews into a circuit. With a little bit of collective timing, this flows quite nicely. Corkscrews away is another easy one to throw in, as the sticks don't move and the collective pulls it along. It transitions nicely into a circuit or turnaround at the end too. You can do the same bringing it back, but somehow it's not as slick looking. A corkscrew rotation is a very high level maneuver. The control at this stage is more of a feeling than specific things you need to do. The only tips I can give you are that you need to be able to control the corkscrew at all of the angles, and the rotation is created by reducing the rudder at the top or bottom of the collective. So in this case, I'm doing a counterclockwise rotation, and if you look carefully at the rudder, you can see it comes slightly inwards when it reaches the top. In conclusion, corkscrews are a very tricky maneuver with some ugly variations, but with some nice ones too. They can take a lot of work, and it's up to you to figure out which ones work well at the field or in a routine. Until next time, good luck.